Hello, my name is David. I work for Magnetic Healer. Today we're going to learn and talk about our creatine control device. When we send you the device, it is ready to use, with the belt attached to it and the way you have to use it.
Now I'll be demonstrating how to put on the belt. You see this part here? This part goes on your skin. Now the part where the pocket is located does not go on your skin. You will remove the belt from its buckle, and you're going to move the device over to where your kidneys are located on your back. You're going to bring the straps up front, and you're going to pass the belt through the buckle. Now, you'll adjust it to your size. Once it's at your size, you'll see that you have a lot of excess belt, which you can trim off and burn to seal.
I hope this video cleared any doubts. If not, leave us a comment down below, or don't be afraid to send us an email at magnetichealer.usa@gmail.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below, and press that like button if you want more of this content. This is David, and I'll see you next time.